To change your Prius filter under the hood, first start by pulling on this hood latch, and that'll open the hood. There's going to be this lever that you pull up on, and then the hood goes up. Prop the hood up using the stick, and then undo these clips. There's 4 of them in total. After that, the cover comes right off. The filter replacements are pretty cheap on eBay, $6.48 just like this one. I'll have a link down below. After 30,000 miles, we can see a difference in the air filters. We're going to drop the new one in here, and we're going to make sure the rubber gasket is installed around this box. Just make sure everything is flush and correctly placed in there. After that, we can put this cover back on, align those hinges in the back, there's 3 of them, and then we will place these 4 clips back in place. And now you're done changing out the air filter. Now you can remove this hood prop, close the hood, and you're done. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.